Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today in the house we have a brand new camera to unbox. So thing is a lot of people keep looking to buy a brand new camera, right? Either it be for your home purpose or you want to shoot some vlogs or even maybe you're a content creator. So you might be confused like which one should I go for? Should I go for a mirrorless camera? Should I go for a DSLR? And it should be like compatible for both photos and videos. So there's a lot of confusion, and if you people are also in the same boat now, you people came to the right video. So as I've told you, today we have a brand new camera, and this one is from Nikon. It's their all new Z30, guys, recently launched in the Indian market, and I got my hands on that camera. So this particular camera was like specially made for like vlogging and content creation. It comes in a very compact form factor. Thing is, Nikon in their Z series lineup has around like 8 or 9 cameras, and out of that 6 are like full frame series FX format, and this is their DX format camera. That means it's got like APS-C sensor on board, and on top of that it's a mirrorless camera, guys. 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor on board, and as I've told you, it comes in like a very compact and small form factor. And best highlight is you can do like 4K recording up to 30p, 1080p, 120 fps support is also there, and has like a fully articulating touchscreen. You can totally flip it out, and it's like great for vlogging purpose. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. I actually went with the kit lens edition. Camera comes in like 3 variants, I believe. You get body only and 2 different variants with different kit lenses. So without wasting any more time, I'm gonna show you what all bundle accessories I got with the camera, and we'll also check out the camera and talk about all of its features and highlights. Then let's get started. So guys, our brand new camera from Nikon came in this sort of box packaging, the Z30 kit lens edition, and along with this the brand is also giving you a couple of goodies as well. Look at this. So in the bundle you're getting a free SanDisk Extreme Pro UHS-1 card, 64GB edition. I think it's around like 1000 rupees on Amazon. This you're getting free with the camera, and they're also giving you a free camera bag as well, and that too this is a branded camera bag from Wildcraft. Here's how it looks like. It's a complete black bag with orange sort of accents. You've got the Wildcraft logo over here and looks very nice and stylish, guys. The bag itself has like 5 years of warranty, and I believe this is around like 1999 rupees. So totally you're getting like 3000 worth of accessories free with the camera. Let me open it and show you as well. Very nice compartments, one for camera, one for lens, lot of tiny pockets for SD cards, batteries, so plenty of things you can store. Super useful, portable, great for outdoor adventures. So keeping all of that aside, now let's finally check out the camera we've been waiting for. Nikon's all new Z30 APS-C mirrorless camera. This is the kit lens edition. We get like the 16 to 50mm lens included in the box, and the camera comes with like 2 years of warranty in the Indian market. And apart from this, you also get the body only as well, guys. So that will be definitely a bit lesser price than this, and there's also like a 50 to 250mm kit lens also available. So the price on this particular box costs around like 73,495, but on Amazon or online platforms you easily find it around like 58,000 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there for the exact pricing details. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the package, and as soon as you open it, we've got some stuff over here, some paperwork. And what is this? Looks like a Type-C cable for charging the camera. That is also included over here. And as I've told you guys, this is your regular paperwork, user manual, warranty card, and these sort of stuff. Just make sure to read that. Keeping all of that aside, here's the main highlight of the show, our brand new Z30 camera. Oh boy, comes nicely packed over here. Look at this. Our first look at Nikon Z30 APS-C mirrorless camera. So as I've told you guys, it's a DX format camera. DX stands for like APS-C cameras in Nikon terminology. FX stands for full frame cameras, guys. And look at this. Feels very nice, right? We'll just come back to the camera in a moment. And along with that in the package, I believe this is your kit lens. Let me just take it out and show you. Yep, this is your lens, guys. As I've told you, you're getting a 16 to 50mm kit lens in the package. f3.5 to 6.3 with VR as well. Such a small lens, right? And along with that, you're also getting a battery. This is your rechargeable lithium ion battery, 1120 milliampere hour. And lastly, you're getting a strap for the camera, Nikon Z branded. That's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look and talk about the design and build quality and also all of its main highlights. So as I've told you, Z30 is a 20.2 megapixel APS-C mirrorless camera from Nikon, made specially for content creators and vloggers. You got the Nikon branding over here, Z30 model mentioned as well. And wow, initial impressions, camera looks really tough, guys. I didn't expect that. It's also like decently sized, not that small also. The camera weighs around like 350 grams, and overall build quality is very good. Looks like the body is made of magnesium alloy, and that too with like a rubberized texture all over it. And look at the grip also. Grip is also very nicely shaped, feels quite comfortable, and actually grip is very nice, guys. As I've told you, weight is around 350 grams. Having a look at the top profile, here you've got the slide switch for on off and also shutter button at the center. There's a dedicated video recording button as well, and a lot of custom dials as well. This is your camera mode, lot of modes available: auto, program, shutter priority, aperture priority. Beside that, you've got your hot shoe and also on board stereo built-in microphones. And what is this? Looks like the camera strap attachment. This is where you need to attach the camera strap. And here's how the back of the camera looks like. Main highlight of this camera is you're getting a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen. Look at this. The screen entirely comes out like this, and you can easily flip it upside down any direction you want. Great for vlogging yourself, guys. And best part, it's touchscreen. You've got a lot of buttons over here. One button for camera and video profile switching. Then you've got a lot of shortcuts as well, like burst mode is there, 4 directional navigation button with an OK at the center, menu, playback, and that's it. These are all the buttons over here. On the left, you're getting some connectivity ports. This is your mic in, HDMI port is also there, Type C for charging the camera on board, and that is it. Now, don't expect this camera to be like fully weather sealed like Nikon's premium series cameras. No, this is like an affordable camera, right? You're getting a tough build quality magnesium alloy body. That itself is great. On the bottom, you're getting a 1/4-inch thread as well, so you can easily fix it on tripods and monopods. And this is your battery compartment as well as SD card slot. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing on the right side. So that was our very first look and hands-on on Nikon Z30, guys. Beautiful camera. And here's how the lens looks like. Let me also show you this as well. Let me just remove this lens cap. Okay, very tiny and cute looking lens. As I've told you, it's a 16 to 50 mm kit lens included with the camera. Very small size, guys. F number range is from 3.5 to 6.3 and has like VR as well. VR stands for vibration reduction in Nikon's terminology. Removing this cap exposes the mount. The camera comes with Nikon Z mount, guys. So Z mount lenses you can easily attach, or you can even use F mount lenses as well, but for that you'll need to use a separate adapter. Talking about build quality is fine. Looks like the lens is made of plastic material. It's a bit light in the hand. What I'll do is I'll quickly fix the lens on the camera and show you how it looks like. Very easy to do that. Just remove the lens cap like this, put the lens over here, align it with the white dot, and twist it in anti-clockwise direction, and that is it. Your camera is good to go. And there you go. Here's how our new Nikon Z30 looks like with the 16 to 50 mm kit lens. Not that small, right? Initially I thought it might be a bit compact and small, but no, it's like reasonably big in hand and feels quite comfortable also when you're holding. Now, talking about the specs and main highlights, as I've told you, Z30 features a 20.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor on board, has XSpeed 6 processor, can shoot videos up to 4K 30p resolution, that too in 8-bit, or you can even do like 1080p 120 FPS as well. Slow motion is also available. And apart from that, Nikon is definitely offering a lot of creative profiles as well for the video, and yes, you're also getting a special flat profile as well included. Talking about the autofocus, you're getting almost like 209 phase detection autofocus points covering almost like 90% of the sensor, and the ISO range over here is from 100 to 51,200, though for the video I believe it's only up to like 25,600. And yes, you're also getting all the smart connectivity features, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all of these are available on this model. So our Z30 is all set up and good to go, and initial setup, everything was like very simple, guys. And again, this is not the first time I'm using a Nikon camera. I've used Nikon cameras in the past for my YouTube channel. I think my last Nikon camera was 5500D. And see, what I really like about Nikon cameras are they're like very straightforward, guys. Very simple to use controls. All the dials, everything is like clear cut, guys. Anybody can easily understand and use this camera, even if you're a beginner. And on top of that, you're getting like a full articulating 3-inch touchscreen, right? Everything, the menu navigation is so simple and so convenient is what I can say. You can simply flip it out like this, and there you go. You can easily shoot yourself whenever vlogging. Super easy and convenient, I'd say. So what I'll do is I'll just simply head out. We'll shoot some sample videos and pictures, and at default settings, I haven't set anything because I just turned it on and went through the initial setup process, right? So I want to show you what the raw video quality on this camera looks like. So guys, here's an initial sample footage from the camera. We are right now shooting at 4K 30p mode, and it's straight out of the camera, guys. I haven't done anything. The camera mode is also set to like program, so aperture, shutter, everything is decided by the camera only. And good thing is you're also getting like flat profile, right? So later if you want to do a little bit of post processing during color grading, everything, right, you can do that. That is one added benefit. And apart from that, one thing I noticed is there is no electronic viewfinder on this camera. So usually now whenever I shoot pictures or anything, I have this habit of directly looking into the viewfinder, and that is one thing I'm missing over here. But again, though, most of the competitor cameras around this price range don't offer electronic viewfinders, so not a big deal, I would say. And yes, you're also not getting image stabilization built into the body, but the kit lens definitely has built-in VR, so that is one thing. You'll get to know about the performance of the image stabilization right now, because I'm walking in my street with holding the camera in my hand, right? So let me know what do you think about the image quality, and the audio that you're hearing is also from built-in stereo mics only, right? Do let me know what do you think about the audio quality as well. So I'll be using this camera for the next couple of days, 10 to 12 days, and later we'll be sharing my complete review on the Z30, guys. And in that review, if you have any sort of questions, if you would like to know anything about the camera, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to cover that. And also, I keep getting a lot of questions from you people. Say if you have a budget of around like 50,000-60,000 rupees, even this camera costs around that price only, right? You also get like pro grade level action cameras also for similar price. A lot of people are like confused, like should they go for action cams or should they go for like pro level mirrorless cameras like this? So if you people are like really interested, let me know in the comment section. I can actually make like a dedicated video explaining the differences and advantages of these two type of categories, guys. Both are like different segment cameras and both have their ups and downs. So if you're actually interested, let me know and I can make like a pro level video explaining which is the best camera for you. So that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this particular camera. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.